In today's video, it will be the impressions video on the AWE Turing exhaust with sound clips of inside footage, driving, showing you that there's no drone with this exhaust, outside footage of the car before and after, and a cold start. Driving along some side streets here for you to get the neighborhood type sound. You know, from 25 like we've been going here, 30-ish, 45, 50, and then I'll get up on the highway. At an idle inside the car, sound stock. When you get on it and get in the high revs, you can hear it a little bit. I do think it sounds a lot better than the stock exhaust did. The stock exhaust was just way too quiet, didn't have no attitude. For being a sports car, you should have a little bit of bark for your bite. At least I think. It's just not engine sound out from under the hood, it's coming from the back a little bit too. I can see why a lot of people like this exhaust. I'm glad I chose it. I'm loving it. The more I drive it, the more I like it. very quiet again, like I was telling you. If I had the radio on, maybe level 10 or more, 12, 13, you wouldn't even hear this. At around 50-ish. In 6th gear. Glad I chose this exhaust. I was looking at a few others, and I went with this one off of everything I had read and heard. The quality was really up there when I put it on. I could tell the welds were nice. The 304 stainless, I believe it is, that they used. You know, it's 304 is a higher grade. It's not that cheaper stuff. I think they have another stainless. What is it? 307, I think. That some of the other stainless exhaust use. That it's not as good of as high of a grade or as pure of a stainless. We'll be getting on the highway up here shortly. Maybe I'll roll down the window and give it the beans for you, so you can hear what it sounds like with the window down, because I don't think you'll get much inside the car. Here we go, right after this curve here, or this turn here, I should say, not curve. Well, we're not going to go anywhere. The highway's at a traffic jam. Really sounds nice. Here on the highway, just cruising about 50 because of heavy traffic. I think the wind noise over the car is louder than the exhaust is. Up to about 60 now, and it's still the same. The wind noise is starting to drown out the exhaust. Maybe I can get up to about 70-ish through here, because the traffic is starting to die down now. Here we go, we're up to 70 now. Let's see, I'll get it up to 75 here. Okay, right there at 75. More wind noise than there is exhaust sound. You can hear it again, but it's very faint. This is very manageable. It's not overbearing inside the cab. No drone. And you can get some burbles and pops with this exhaust if you do the downshifts just right with the rev match. You can get a little burbles and down partially so you can hear a little bit of what it's like. Very nice tone. This will conclude today's video. Please like and subscribe. Have a great week.